Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a user in Wrike. This process is straightforward but essential for managing your team's access and ensuring that only the right people have entry to your project spaces. Let's get started. First, log into your Wrike account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the login page. For a quicker sign-in, click the Google option if your Wrike account is linked to Google and select the account associated with your profile. Once logged in, look towards the top left corner of the page and click on your profile photo. This is your gateway to account settings and user management. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can manage account details, notifications, and user permissions. Next, find and click on the Users section. Here you'll see a list of all users who currently have access to your Wrike account. This is the central hub for managing permissions and monitoring active roles in your projects. Scroll through the list and locate the user you want to remove. Click on their name to select them. Double-check to make sure you've selected the correct account to avoid mistakes. With the user selected, look for the Delete from Account option and click it. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm your choice to remove the user. And that's it. The user will no longer have access to your Wrike account. Deleting users helps you maintain control over your workspace and keeps your projects secure. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Wrike tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.